Welcome to Julia's Turkish Kitchen. Today I'll be making 4 individual size seeded baguettes using the traditional method of making the popular Turkish bread somun, which translates simply as loaf of bread. It's well known for its soft and fluffy texture. Adding a mixture of pumpkin, sunflower and sesame seeds guarantees a satisfying crunch with every bite. Here's what you'll need. All the details are also in the description. Let's get started. Empty 2 packets or 14 grams of instant dry yeast into 700 ml of warm water. Mix to dissolve and activate the yeast. Put aside and start preparing the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, place a total of 1 kilogram of strong bread flour. I've used 620 grams of white and 380 grams of wholemeal. Add 2 dessert spoons of salt. Then pour in 150 grams of mixed pumpkin, sunflower and sesame seeds for that lovely crunch. When the seeds have been evenly distributed, create a well in the middle and pour in the yeast mixture. Start folding in the flour with a wooden spoon. Then transfer to using your hands to form a soft dough. Add warm water if the dough seems dry. Continue kneading for 10 minutes until you have a soft and slightly sticky dough. Cover and leave to proof for 1 hour. After 1 hour, continue to knead for a few more minutes, transferring to a floured surface. Divide into 4 equal parts for 4 baguettes. Roll each piece into a ball and adjust as necessary to make each the same size. Cover and proof for the second time for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, the dough has once again risen. One at a time, start shaping into baguettes. Keep the dough covered to avoid drying. This is the traditional way of making the Turkish bread somun, which is very popular. The method is to flatten the bread with your fingertips, like this, then fold over as shown. The idea is to allow air to be trapped in the dough to make it light and fluffy. Shape the ends to be narrower than the main part. Place on a baking tray lined with grease-proof paper. Repeat the process for the remaining 3 baguettes. When the baguettes have been shaped, cover and leave to rest for 1 hour for the final time. After 1 hour, the baguettes have almost doubled in size. Before putting them into a preheated oven, lightly brush or spray on some cold water. This will produce a crispy surface and help bake the baguettes evenly. Add the design of your choice on the top. In keeping with the Turkish Somun type bread, I'm marking the sides of the baguettes as shown using a sharp knife. This is the traditional design and often a razor would be used for a more precise cutting. 5 minutes before putting the bread into the oven, place a bowl of boiling water at the bottom of the oven to produce steam for the bread to bake in. Bake at gas mark 6 or 200 degrees Celsius for between 30 to 40 minutes depending on your oven on the middle shelf. Afiyet olsun. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes from Hülya's Turkish Kitchen. Watch more of my videos now by clicking the links at the end. Thank you for watching. See you next time.